Dear Ron, this how my goals have changed. Retire with millions? No, with memories. Get a high-paying job? No, the job that I love. Be the best? No, be present at always. Make my parents proud by being successful? No, always be happy. Find a long life? No, live a fulfilled life.
I met JC Boy or Jessie around January 2019 through social media, of course, Facebook Messenger. Kay nag-message siya sa ako through Kuya Paulo. From that moment, nag-hello ma'am siya, and I saw his profile picture. So something nag-recall sa ako, nag-flashback sa ako ang person nga nakaila na ako through the games of the general, which one of the games in intramurals before in SMC. That is something we have in common, that is playing games of the general, and that I knew the moment nga nag-chat siya na there is something from him na gusto na ko.
Kini si Ronelyn nga niya karon dinhi. Dawaton ba nimo siya ngay mong asawa sumala sa lagda sa tuminahan Santa Iglesia?
Oo, akong dawaton, Padre.
And yes, after that, we communicated through chat, video calls, and then here we are today. That's it.
Get married before 30? No. When I'm ready. Find an attractive partner? No. I'll find someone who I deeply connect with. Give me your hand, and I will give you forever.
Your wife.
Hangtod ang kamatayon mubulag ka namo.
Isa pa. Hangtod ang kamatayon mubulag ka namo.
Hangtod ang kamatayon mubulag ka namo.
Mga igsoon, wala na diri sa ritual. Ako lang ang buot-buot.
Nanatakaron today, this is one of the moment that we have prepared for such a very long time.
Maabot ang panahon, bahalag di ko ninyo mahinumduman. Sa panahon nga tayugon ang inyong kaminyoon, you will remember that promise.
This is the moment that we are going to spend the rest of our life together, and I hope this will be forever, of course.